Hey, what up, YouTube? What it do? This be that stud J, you know what I'm saying? Repping the B-Ham to the fullest. On this thing to do a response video to the stud brother sister film moment, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to FOD, you out there doing your thing, putting it down, you know what I'm saying? Do what you do, shawty. You know what I'm saying? You seem like a cool ass dude, and I wouldn't mind being your stud brother for real. That's what's up. But shit, I'm looking for, some more stud brother sister fans, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. We about to come together, we about to take over this motherfucking world for sure. But shit, if y'all out there, you know what I'm saying, watching this, shit, add me on Facebook, MySpace, down the link, shit, YouTube, do what it do, shit. We gotta come together and take this bitch over, real talk. But shit, shout out to FOD. I see you, you know what I'm saying? I'm supporting your ass to the fullest. Cause shit, we gotta bring y'all up, you know what I'm saying? Shit, so it is what it is, and I'm out. Holla. Peace.